The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today. Like, seriously? You're trying to tell me that you can be a good person while at the same time paying somebody to hurt an animal? And then bringing that dead body into your house and then taking a knife and fork and cutting up that dead body? An animal who wanted to live? An animal who was screaming for their life? And you think you can be a good person if you do that? Wow. Well, what do you think the bad people do then? If good people hurt animals, torture them, cut them, murder them, what do bad people do? Did you ever wonder about that? I mean, how much worse of a thing can you do than that? I don't know. I think maybe you should rethink that. Something's a bit wrong in that logic, you know? Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now. Save them now. Hi. So you'd like me to go live again like I did on TikTok that time where I was reacting to the different songs. We were asking Alexa to play different songs and you guys were tricking me and playing songs with terrible lyrics. You guys think it's fun, don't you? Well, you know I love dancing and I do like to have fun. But, you know, I don't really want to dance to songs that are, well, you know, about being mean to people or being mean to animals, so that's not kind of fun for me. But yeah, I'll try to do a live again soon. I can't do one today, unfortunately. But maybe soon, maybe I'll try to do it. I don't know what's a good time, because for me, I'm on Montreal time, so that's in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And I know there's people from all over the world, so we have to go to pick a time where everybody can be there. So I don't know, when is that? For you, when is it? Bella vegan dog, I really love you. I'll never eat your friends or anyone who goes poo. Bella vegan dog, I really love you. Yes, I really, really do. Hi. So you're going to a steakhouse and you want to know what you should do. Well, that's easy. You bring some signs, make some big cardboard signs that say, meat is murder, and other signs that say animals are friends, not food. And then you protest and you say there should be no dead animals in here. You should only have mashed potatoes and vegan pizza and french fries and salad with tomatoes and broccoli and a vegan lasagna, vegan pizza, vegan everything. That's what you should do. Make sure that you say, hey, this is not a good place. You guys should all be vegan here. That's what you should do. Sound like a plan? You can do it. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. Call vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy. Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be love. Be vegan. there. So no, a little child can never be responsible for what they eat because they don't know the difference between opening their mouth for some mashed potatoes or opening their mouth for a bunch of dead animal body parts. See, everyone is born vegan. You guys just don't remember. But when you were born, you never wanted to hurt animals. Your mother's milk, that was meant for you. But stealing the milk from a cow, that's not okay. That's not vegan. And so all you have to do is go back to your roots and be vegan again. And you can easily do that. You just Google vegan recipes and tell your parents that you are willing to eat lentils and beans and chickpeas and rice and healthy, delicious vegan foods. You can absolutely go back to being vegan and you're going to feel so good about it. I mean, I'm sure in your heart you don't want to hurt animals, right? Being vegan is easy when you don't think about yourself. Being vegan is easy when you think about someone else. The victim. Hey there! So you're telling me that you're not vegan because you eat chicken and you eat bacon. And I get it. You know, before becoming vegan, I was vegetarian, but before that I ate everything the same way that you do. And then I found out how they treat the animals. And then I was really sad. You know, I didn't know, for example, how the chickens were treated, that they're killed at just 7 weeks old. And I didn't know that bacon comes from a pig that they kill at just 6 months old. So that's really sad. When I found that out, I stopped eating those things, and that's what you can do too. And did you know that there's vegan chicken and there's vegan bacon? So you can replace all of the things that you have and get the vegan versions and Google vegan recipes. You can make delicious, amazing vegan food. Try it and then get back to me. I heard that this is accidentally vegan, so let's check the label, cause that would make my day. I heard that this is accidentally vegan, so let's check the label so the animals can dance all day. If there's no meat, no eggs, no dairy or gelatin, if there's nothing stolen from animals, no body parts, no milk or fur or skin, then nobody loses and everyone gets to win. I hope it's accidentally vegan, so let's check the label, cause that would make my day. I hope it's accidentally vegan, so let's check the label so the animals can dance all day. Now be careful cause it's tricky, it might not be vegan every time. So remember to check the label while you sing this little rhyme. I hope it's accidentally vegan, so let's check the label, cause that would make my day. I hope it's accidentally vegan, so let's check the label so the animals can dance all day. Hi there. Well, I am so glad that you are becoming vegan or that you are vegan. On behalf of all of the animals, I say thank you. It is great that you're not eating any pigs, chickens, or cows, or any other animals going forward. But just one thing that makes me a little uncomfortable is when people say that I am their idol, because I'm just a normal person. Like one day, you will be an animal rights activist, and you will know that you only contribute a little bit, you know, to somebody's becoming vegan, because it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Hold on, let me be able to do a click. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. So I contributed, but I didn't do everything. I'm just a normal person. So the best thing you can do going forward is to teach the way that I do. I can't wait to see your videos, to see your face, to see the dancing animals and the songs that you sing. Thank you for being here. Animals are not ours to eat. We're pegs
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's